Three right there. There's a big one right there. And look at all this. There's a clump of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and another one right there. And then there's still some over here. 2 more right there.
So you'd say, so is this heaven for Chris Matherly?
This is the heaven motherlode spot, and we sure picked a heck of a place to camp about 10 feet from the truck. We just came over to look at this ash tree, and here they are.
I think he found some more.
We keep looking, and they're all over the place. There's another big one there. There's another big one there. There's 2 more right here. There's 1 up under there. There must be 40 around this tree. 40 around one ash tree right there.
Next to the campsite.
And they're all beauties.